Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how to use Digistore24 for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning commissions every time you promote a company's products or services and drive a sale. And Digistore24 is a platform that offers a wide range of products to promote and earn commissions. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies to help you get started with affiliate marketing on Digistore24. Tip 1. Choose your audience. Before you start promoting any products, it's important to choose your audience. You can either target the consumer market or the business market. In the past, business-oriented products were priced higher, giving you a chance of heftier commissions right from the start. But with remote working environments, the need for business-oriented products and services at lower costs has increased. So, the choice is yours. The potential for growth and gain is the same in both audiences. Tip 2. Choose your niche. The next step is to choose your niche. Look at your own life experience, and think about what you're comfortable talking about. Is there something in your life that has brought value to you and others? Can you use that story to promote the products you choose? Remember, products and offers that solve a pressing, present problem will always sell like hot cake. Digistore24 offers a wide range of products and solutions for every niche you can think of. Tip 3. Don't rely on a single product. Even though you may have chosen a niche, don't rely on a single product. Different products and solutions tackle the same problem or adjacent ones. So, try to see the big picture and put yourself in the shoes of your potential buyer. What is it that they need, besides the number one product you're sharing with them? Digistore24 offers multiple products and solutions for each niche, so make sure to browse through them and choose the ones that fit your audience and niche. Tip 4. Choose your promotion channel. The final tip is to choose your promotion channel. Many beginner affiliates fail because they want to do it all. They invest time and money in learning marketing strategies that apply to the entire World Wide Web. Instead, focus on one platform alone. Choose the one you're most comfortable with and stick with it. Digistore24 offers a wide range of products and solutions for each platform, including Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, blogging, through SEO, email, TikTok, and Pinterest. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing on Digistore24 can be a great way to earn passive income. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can succeed. Remember, consistency is vital. Stick with it, and in a week, in a month, in a year, you'll be glad you started today. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Digistore24 for affiliate marketing.